Okay, guys, I did the Vendoo thing and I subscribed. Let's see, here we are. Okay, so we come to this scene and it says connect eBay, connect Etsy, and then we have to install an extension for Poshmark. So I thought I would just do this with you guys. Let's do it. Hit connect eBay. I agree. So let's see what happens. Could it be this easy? Could it be this fast? Yeah. Okay, connect Etsy. Let's go. It's on its way. This is so cool, guys. If this is for real and I only have to do one listing, yes, please. Allow access. Okay, it's in, guys. Next thing is to go to the Google store and get the extension for Poshmark. So let's see how you do this. There we go. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Turn on sync. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I think I did it. But now we need to refresh. You have our extension installed. We are in. Hit dashboard. And there we go, guys. No new items created. So this is the beginning of it. New item. OMG. So we're going to upload photos, enter all of our information, and see how fast it is. I don't think I have any pictures on my computer, so I can't do it yet, but I'm really pumped. I thought this would help you guys. Let me know if you guys are going to do Vendoo too.